In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payment on Facebook Marketplace. First, open Facebook and head to Marketplace. Before you list or finalize a deal, it's important to understand how payments typically work. In many regions, Facebook Marketplace does not process payments directly. Instead, you and the buyer agree on a method and complete the transaction outside the platform. Keep that in mind as you set expectations with buyers and always communicate clearly in Messenger. Next, decide which payment methods you will accept. Popular options include local e-wallets like Gcash or Maya, bank transfer, cash during a meetup, or cash on delivery through a courier. Offering at least two choices can boost buyer confidence and improve your chances of closing the sale. Think about speed, convenience, fees, and how easily you can verify each method. Before asking for any payment, confirm the order. Collect the buyer's full name, complete address, contact number, and exact order details, including quantity, variations, and total price. If you're shipping, confirm the courier, shipping fee, and estimated delivery window. Keeping everything documented in Messenger protects both sides and reduces misunderstandings. When you're ready to accept payment, you have a few approaches. For payment first, share your official payment details, wait for the buyer to pay, and verify funds inside your account before you ship. Don't rely on screenshots alone. Check your balance or transaction history and save the reference number. For cash on delivery, book a courier that supports CODI, pack the item securely, and ship it. You'll receive the money once the item is delivered and collected by the courier. Many buyers prefer this option because it feels safer, but be aware of possible CODI fees and follow the courier's policies to avoid returns. For a meetup, choose a safe, well-lit public place, preferably with CCTV. Count the cash carefully and hand over the item once you're satisfied. Bring small change if needed, and keep a simple receipt or message confirmation for your records. In some countries, Facebook offers checkout where buyers pay inside Facebook and funds are deposited to your linked bank account, sometimes with fees. If available in your region, follow the on-screen setup. This feature is limited and may not be supported everywhere. To avoid scams, never ship without confirmed payment unless it's COD. Don't click unknown payment links and don't trust screenshots alone. Verify funds, deal inside Messenger, and review the buyer's profile. After payment, send a receipt or confirmation.